Hi everybody, welcome to the Stanley Family Funhouse. And today I'm going to be showing you how I vacuum. So today my mom's going to be holding the cord. She's going to hold it a little bit more. And then I'll be doing the vacuuming. It's going to be loud for a few minutes. I'll stop in between it at the time. If it gets close to 10 minutes, I'll stop it. But here we go. Move this out of the way because I can't go down and up. Oh, that was not good. Okay, hold the cord. Grab the cord. I'm starting. Yeah, well, I'm gonna put that in my way. Smart move, really smart move. Okay. Mom's going to tell you the first half of the story. Go ahead. But what happened to the old vacuum? How it broke and stuff?
We have a new vacuum because when we would vacuum, the vacuum would just overheat and go off, and it wasn't really picking up anything, so I finally decided to go and get a new vacuum. Didn't really have much of a choice.
So then we went to Walmart, looked around, we found this one. Of course, it's a nice one. It picks up a lot more than the other one, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's like brand new still, so it still works. If you can hear that weird noise, we don't really understand what it is. We've been trying to figure that out, but it doesn't seem to figure out what the problem is. Here we go.
I don't think so, because I don't think we have enough quarters.
Yeah, we do. Okay, stop. What are you doing?
I don't think we do, honey.
I'll check after Mommy. Pull back, too. That'll hit you. I'm pulling back. Stand turning. I'm not done yet. You have to help me with the chairs and stuff.
The only reason your father vacuums more than once a week, Haley, is because of the dog.
No, the cleaning ladies only come once a week, so he has to vacuum 1 week, and then the cleaning ladies come over another week.
Yeah, but the only reason he vacuums more than once a week is because of the dog hair, because of Samson's hair.
So far,
All over
6
the
minutes.
place.
So we're going good. If we can get this all done before like 10 minutes, we'll be golden. Okay. Put this over here. Now, guys, you're going to be seeing us vacuum the table. Like, not putting the vacuum on the table. Don't think we're that crazy.
Heavens to Betsy's, if we did the table, we'd be screwballs.
I know. So don't leave any mean comments saying, oh, why would you do that? Because we're not saying that. We're saying under the table, right?
Watch what you're doing.
Sorry, Mom. Tell them that we're not screwballs and we wouldn't do like that.
Don't do nothing yet, Haley. Don't do nothing yet.
Why? The video's only at 6 minutes. I'll have to do a second video. Hold on.
Give me the cord. Give me the cord.
Here. Hold on, I have to do it. I'm going to publish 2 videos at the same time. Alright, guys, I'm going to stop this one and make another one. And then post these both. Okay? Bye.